Respected Shri Dilip Venksankar ji, Directors on the board of Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, Shri Biju George, Commander Vasudev Puranik, Mr. Manoj Agarwal, who has been a driving force behind organizing this event. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, dear children, it's with great pleasure and immense pride that I extend a warm welcome.
Before we go ahead and begin the prize distribution, I'd like all of you to know that these are provisional timings. Your actual timings will be sent to you. The ones that I announced today are all provisional timings. Right? Okay.
All right, let's start with the 18 to 34 male category. Even men can be first. All right, second runner-up, please put your hands together for bib number 1572, Santosh Yadav, with a provisional timing of 35 minutes and 6 seconds. Santosh Yadav, 1572. Can we have you up on stage, please? Bib number 1572, Santosh Yadav. Jaldi se bhag ke aa jaiye. Runner up, Santosh Yadav. Moving on, first runner up, second position, bib number 2452. With a provisional timing of 33 minutes, 56 seconds. We are talking about 10K. Alright, we have Santosh Yadav, second runner-up. Talia to rukni nahi chahiye. Some timing, he's been flying around. First runner-up, bib number 2452. And the winner in this category, Sanjay Zakane, 1003. With a provisional timing of 32 minutes, 33 seconds. Huge round of applause. (1003) Sanjay. Alright, we will make sure the prizes reach them since they are not here today. Alright, we do have 1003 Sanjay, the winner in this category. He definitely does not believe it. There he is, a 25,000 winning amount for Sanjay. Congratulations. I saw him finishing. आपको बिल्कुल यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि आप इधर खड़े हैं. Look at the smile on his face. Are you excited? Happy? Very happy. Awesome. जोरदार तालियां for our 10K 18 to 34 age category. Congratulations. Moving on to the 18 to 34 female. 18 to 34 female, second runner-up, bib number 1928, Aarti Deshmukh. Second runner-up, third position, Aarti Deshmukh. Second runner-up, bib number 1928, Aarti Deshmukh. Can we have you up on stage, please? Congratulations, Aarti. Second runner-up, 18 to 34. Preceded by the first runner-up, bib number 1834, Priya Pandey. There she is. Priya Pandey. Can we have you quickly up on stage? Praful, can we please have you near the stage, please? And the winner in this category, Yamini Thakre, bib number 1007. Can we have you up, please? Thank you. Can we have the winners on the podium, please? All right. right, can we have the winners on the podium, please? Zordar Talia. And the final timings will be sent to you soon. Moving on to the next category, 35 to 44 years male. 35 to 44 years male. Second runner-up, Natha Girnekar, bib number 1806. Bib number 1806, Natha Girnekar. Can we have you up on stage? Second runner-up, 35 to 44 age category. First runner-up in this category, bib number 2450, Preetam Singh. And the winner, Bonda Tadvi, bib number 1149 with a provisional timing of 37 minutes, 3 seconds, 6 seconds faster than Preetam Singh. Just 6 seconds, and that is some timing. Bonda Tadvi, can we have you up on stage? Bib number 1149. Huge round of applause for our winners. Alright, moving on to the female category, 35 to 44. Second runner-up, bib number 1348, Elizabeth Chapman. Elizabeth Chapman, second runner-up in the 35 to 44 age category. Can we have you up on stage, please? Up in the second position, Aisha Vijay Mansukhani, 1124, 35 to 44 years. There she is. A huge round of applause. And Aisha, your provisional timing is 46 minutes, 25 seconds. These are provisional timings at the moment. And for the winner, Rupali Borgharkar, bib number 2241. Rupali Borgharkar, bib number 2241. Are you there? Alright, moving on to the 45 to 54 male age category. Second runner-up, bib number 2085, Shivanand Shetty. Shivanand Shetty, bib number 2085 in the 45 to 54 years age category. Are you here? Bib number 1657, Shrikant Ugle. Shrikant, oh, he definitely is here. We can hear you guys cheering for him. Zordar Talia for Shrikant, first runner-up in the 45 to 54 age category. (2085) Shivanand Shetty, second runner-up. First runner-up, Shrikant Ugle, bib number 1657. And the winner in this category, Jaipal Bhoyar, 1280, with a provisional timing of 36 minutes and 57 seconds. Congratulations. Moving on to the 45 to 54 female age category. Second runner-up, bib number 1108, Ashima Mehra. Ashima Mehra, second runner-up in the female 45 to 54 age category. Are you here? Ballooni, bib number 1108. And the winner in this category, Vandana Sailesh, 1669. Can I have all the three ladies quickly run up to the stage? Your moment of glory. We have the second runner-up, Sumita Ballooni. Second runner-up, Sumita Ballooni. Congratulations, Sumita. And the winner, bib number 1669, Vandana Sailesh, in this category. Congratulations, Vandana. Moving on to the 55 plus age category, male. Second runner-up, 1557, Sandeep Bhandarkar. 1557, Sandeep Bhandarkar. First runner-up, 1510, Ranjit MB. 1510, Ranjit MB. And the winner in this category, Nanjundan Kari, 1201. This is the 55 plus age category, male. Second runner-up, Sandeep Bhandarkar, 1557. First runner-up, Ranjit MB, 1510. There he is. Congratulations, Ranjit. First runner-up. Second runner-up, Sandeep Bhandarkar, 1557. And the winner, 1201, Nanjundan Kari. There he is. Congratulations, Nanjundan.
Time.
A provisional timing of 44 minutes and 31 seconds. Second runner-up, provisional timing of 46 minutes, 51 seconds. Some timing, that is. Pretty awesome. Congratulations. Moving on. Above 55 to 64, female age category. Second runner-up, Sapna Shah, bib number 1566. Sapna Shah. First runner-up in this category, Sandra Jacket, bib number 1008. There she is. And the winner, 1321, Khurshid Mistry. Alright, we have the second runner-up. The first runner-up running up on stage. Here we have Sandra Jacket, 1008, the first runner-up. Congratulations, Sandra. You definitely don't look as if you've run a 10K. You look so fresh. I love that energy. Huge round of applause. Come on, let's make some noise. And the winner, Khurshid Mistry. There she is. With a provisional timing of 58 minutes and 15 seconds. The winner. And Sapna, you were just about 13 seconds after the winner. 58 minutes and 28 seconds. Please take the podium, ladies. Congratulations. Moving on to the 65 years and above male category, second runner-up, 1131, KM Benedict. 1131 KM Benedict. I heard some noise. There he is. Quickly run off. First runner-up, Kiran Pal Singh Dodi, 1717. And the winner in this category, Ashutosh Roy, 1112. Alright, there they are. The second runner-up, KM Benedict. There he is.
Time.
His provisional timing is 1 hour 7 minutes and 27 seconds. 65 years and above. Congratulations, Mr. KM Benedict. First runner-up in this category, Mr. Kiran Pal Singh Dodi, with a provisional timing of 55 minutes 49 seconds. What motivation! Congratulations, sir. Absolutely amazing. And the winner, Ashutosh Roy, with a provisional timing 53 minutes 36 seconds. Congratulations, Ashutosh. Zordar Talia. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. We can show some kindness right here. Please take the podium, gentlemen. Alright, moving on to the next category, female 65 and above. Second runner-up, Firoza Maniksha Sinha, 1227. Quickly run up, Firoza. First runner-up, Nandini Jai Singh, 1400. And the winner in this category, Kavita Ghatge, 1315. I'm hearing a lot of applause for this category. Ladies, quickly run up and we'll have you right here in the podium. Ladies in the above 65 age category, second runner-up, Firoza Maniksha Sinha. There she is, the pink bandana, all smiles. Ma'am, the podium's all yours. What motivation, superb. She's super thrilled, and so are we. Congratulations. The winner in this category, Kavita Ghatge. Can we have you up on stage, Kavita? There she is, a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. This brings us to the end of the entire prize distribution.